Now let's look at this question. A relational schema R has only two attributes, then the relation R is in, which means there are only two attributes for relation R. Then what is the highest normal form that the R is in? Okay, let's take an example. Let us say R is a table with two attributes A, B. Then what are the various possibilities? What are the various non-trivial dependencies that can be possible? The dependency sets can be, one set can be A determines B, other set can be B determines A, other set can be, it can have A determines B as well as B determines A, and the other condition is there can be no non-trivial dependencies at all. There can be no non-trivial dependencies at all. Okay, so if you observe it, these are the only non-trivial dependencies possible, and the other case is there can be no non-trivial dependencies at all, right? Right? Now if you observe it, let us take the case A. A determines B. Now the candidate key is A, right? And A is in the left hand side. So left hand side is a candidate key. Therefore, this comes under BCNF, right? And if you look at the second functional dependency, the candidate key is B and B is the left hand side of the production, right? Left hand side of the FD. Therefore, you can say that again this is also in BCNF, right? Left hand side is a candidate key, then it will be in BCNF. Here A is a candidate key as well as B is a candidate key, and left hand side is a candidate key. Here also left hand side is a candidate key of this FDs. Therefore, we can say that this is also in BCNF, right? And we have just seen in the previous example that when there are no non-trivial dependencies, then it is in BCNF. Therefore, if there are only two attributes, then the highest normal form that the table can be in is BCNF. Okay.